Anyone please? Any noise coming from the my side? Any disturbance? I'm asking about. Okay, like any sound, like a air blow. Okay, okay. Then thank you. So we can wait for the 5 minutes more because only 16 students till now join. So today, what we are going to discuss about only the introduction part. I can make some slides, at least 5 and 6 slides, to cover the AI introduction part. Today we can cover. The next class we can go for others part like problem searching and how can find out the problem. Then another say another class this week we can go for overall AI. Okay, we are not going to too much inside or deep inside the AI, just overall informations. And then from the next week, that means when the upcoming Monday or Tuesday, we can go for the lab session. During the lab session, what we have to do, we are going to do again theory classes because we have to reach that mean max problem. Then we can deal with that TikTok problem. Okay. So first we have to reach that algorithm, then we have to solve that programming. Okay. Otherwise, not useful and not worthful for you for that programming. Okay. So step by step process, classes is more, lab is more. Don't worry about the syllabus. We complete the syllabus within a time. And please read the book and follow the reference book line Ellen and Rich and wisely whatever I don't know. I can follow Ellen and Rich, whatever Kings and Knights, whatever the name. So that book I can follow. You can also follow that book also. Okay. So we can wait. Okay. Shall we start the session? Okay. So I'm going to share my slide. Okay, the slide is, I think, visible. Yeah. Yeah. So basically, today we're discussing about what is AI. Okay. So what is AI? That means the artificial intelligence I am talking about. So we can know that. So we can talking about in a general form. The AI's terms refers to the a human-like intelligence we have to develop inside the computer, robot, and other machines. That is the basic and the book definition. So we know artificial, that means we can copy that original form to the another form. Okay, so we can, that is called the artificial. So that we can suppose the natural things can exist, we can form in a different way with the help of any agent. So agent is here computer or robot or the machine. Okay, so we can say that to make a computer intelligent so that they can act intelligently. Okay. So we try to make a machine to make a intelligent to act like an intelligent. Okay. They work like a smart. So they will work like an expert system. Okay. So if you artificial intelligence, why it's called interdisciplinary branch? That is important. So AI can cover both science and engineering part. That means AI can cover both part of science and engineering. So what is the meaning of science here? We can use here like a linguistic problem. We can use here cognitive problem. We can use here psychological problem. We can use here psychometric problems. All the problems that belong to the science sections we can use here. And the engineering part, as you know, we can use machines and we can make a robot to work smartly, like automobiles, we can autopilot robots, then age detection, image processing, like this type of robots we can make to find out the object detections, all the things. So we can say that AI is a part of the science and engineering. Now come to the same. Now see, the AI is a field of computer science, then the cognitive science. Now the cognitive, that means on and usually can talking about the knowledge. Okay, so we are talking about the knowledge. Huh. So cognitive sense directly, indirectly indicate that the knowledge. Then psychological psychology, that means what is the behavior of the human being, what is the behavior of our mind. So we are talking about. Then physiology, that's belong to the both are the similar. Then linguistic, that means we're talking about a different type of in linguistic we are talking about the NLP, language processing system. Whatever you are telling in which language, with the help of machine we can intercept that language and tell about the what is the significance of that language and what is the meaning of that language. Then neuroscience, that means we're talking about medical science related to the neuroscience technology, how can perceive all the things, what we can take a decision for the surgery, all that means we can say the decision making concept, we can use the neuroscience. Then we can define the part of this one, intelligent part. So we can define the ability to learn and solve problem. So artificial is the one part and intelligent, that means A plus I. Okay, we are discussing. So this is the belong to the artificial. So by definition, artificially, that not a natural. And we are talking about the intelligence part, that means ability to learn and solve problem. So it contains how to make intelligent more and more, and how can develop intelligent things So this is the important. So we are discussing about the reasoning problem. We are discussing about the learning problem. We are discussing about the problem solving problem. We are discussing about the perceptions. We are discussing about the linguistic intelligence problem. These things we are discussed. Okay. So next. So these things we are discussed. So when you're talking about the reasoning, so you are talking about the aptitude problem. That is the meaning of aptitude. How can find out the missing element? How can find out the missing character? How can find out the series of numbers? So we are talking about the learning. That means we can train the machine with the huge amount of data. We can train the machine with a huge amount of data on the basis of the past experience. Machine can give the output. Okay, then problem solving problem, that means a problem solving problem, that means a real world problem, say water jug problem, TikTok problems. Okay, whatever we are doing the real words we try to do using AI. Perceptions, that means we are thinking about the hypothetical things and we try to implement using the AI. The linguistic intelligence, that means we convert from the one language to the another language, so we can go for the linguistics. Okay, so move for the next slide. So that is the artificial intelligence. And what is the meaning of artificial? What is the meaning of the intelligent? Okay. So we can say that copy of something natural. Okay. So we can say that copy of something natural. That means copy of something natural that belongs to the artificial intelligence. Okay, that is a simple one. Copy of something natural. Okay, so whatever the naturally we can exist, we can make a copy that belongs to the artificial intelligence. Okay, these things are belong. So next, after taking what is the artificial intelligence, then why we need for the artificial intelligence? That means we are talking about the classification of AI. That is important. Okay. So we are talking about the classification of AI. So we can divide in the three part: the weak AI, then general AI, and the super AI. So when we are talking about the weak artificial intelligence, that means we are talking about the particular problem, just one predefined issues. Okay, it can be not created by someone. It cannot take a huge amount of issues. Just we are talking about the couple of predefined issue, and we try to solve that one. It will be take more time. Suppose we are playing a poker game, the simple or particular task will happen and it will take a more time. So this comes inside the weak artificial intelligence. The second part is the general AI. That means you're talking about the with respect to the framework, with respect to the environment, and equal to the human beings. We can do the multiple works with the help of your knowledge and the past experience. So we can go for the general AI. Then super AI, that means the more than the human beings. Whatever is not possible in hand of human, we try to do with the machines. We try to do with the some other things, hypothetical thinkings, like a perceptions thinkings that comes inside the super AI. So basically, that is the interview questions when we are sitting about the interviewer, and they will ask you, can you classify the artificial intelligence? So we can say that the weakest, weak, general, and super. So sometimes it is also called strong AI. Okay, so don't be confused. What is the general and the strong AI? So weak, that means you're talking about the particular issues. Okay, we are talking about the particular issues. General, that means similar to the human. We can say that similar to human. Okay, so we can perform that all that tasks. And superhuman, that is called super AI. That means perceptions of humans, and that is not in hand of humans, so we can call that more than the human. So that is called the super AI. So these three is very important: classification of AI, then weak AI, general AI, and super AI. So we are discussing about this one here in your book and the general AI. We are not discussing this one. Okay. So we can eliminate this one. We are not discussing this one. We are talking about this one, general and weak AI. So we are talking about the particular problems, all the things we have. So I hope this classification of AI is clear. That is not a big thing. That is a small definition we should know. Okay. So if look what happened, at least we know all the things. That is more than your basics. That means
Excuse me, sir.
things. But when terms of talking about the basics, some people and some good students have not clear about the basics. So everyone play with your basics. You're not going to be asked too much hard questions. We'll ask the easy questions. If your basic is clear, your foundation is clear, automatically your hard questions and hard level, all the level automatically clear. Okay. So talking about the need of artificial intelligence, why we need? Okay, why we need of artificial intelligence? So where I'm talking about all the time, we are talking about intelligence. So we know the ability to learn, and through the reasoning, the problem solving, all the things we are talking about the intelligence. So what we have, why we need for the artificial intelligence? Okay, so for developing the expert system. So what is the expert system? That means we can suppose this one is a machine.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, are you changing the slides because we just see the first slide? What is artificial intelligence?
Wait. Can you repeat again? I'm not audible.
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
Can you repeat again? What do you want to say?
No, sir. Actually, just the first slide was visible to us, and I thought you were changing the slide.
Okay. This whole slide is not visible. Wait.
Now the slide is visible. Need for artificial intelligence.
Okay.
Okay.
I can understand. Now this is visible. Classification of AI.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we have first discussed. Okay. Sorry. Wait. Okay, so classification, that means we are talking about the weak AI, then general AI, and the super AI. Okay, I think we have discussed. Now see, then weak AI, we are talking about the particular distance, that only the couple of the predefined issues. Okay, so that is the book language, so don't go for that one. The simple understand, weak AI is we are discussing about the particular issues, like we try to play a poker. So it will be time consuming. So only one person is playing, that will focus on the one game, and we cannot focus on the other things. Okay, just we have to environment. Suppose this is the environment, we are taking this task. Here too many tasks is there, but only busy with one task, that is called the weak AI. Okay, all the tasks are similar, but we are only focusing on the particular task, that is called the weak AI. Now general AI, that means we have to develop a one environment, and we have to consider all the different tasks and try to solve through the AI intelligence. Okay, on the previous whatever the experience we have, we try to solve this all this part, then it comes inside the general AI. That is sometimes is called strong AI. Strong AI. Okay, a strong AI that is equal to that of the human beings. Suppose what we have to do, we have to having the different type of responsibility. We have to do study, we have to do your homework, we have to do with your you have to maintain your relationship with the father and mothers and among your family. So this type of task is done by the general AI. So that is called strong AI. And the super AI, that means we have to perceive all the things. It will be happen like that one. We are thinking beyond that one. That is not possible to the human hand. So we have thinking about we have to create a superhuman. We have to create a super machines. They can do that one. Okay. So that is called the super AI. That comes inside the super AI. Now, when we are talking about artificial intelligence and AI, so we are always talking about the frame of the reference or the environment. Here we are talking about the agent all the time, because that is a mandatory condition to apply the AI. There is a agent present, and through agent we can apply the AI. So agent may be your robot, your computer system, your sensor devices, all the things will be happen. Okay, comes inside the agent. Okay, so it can be sense of the physical environment or analyze all the things. Like talking about, suppose my robot is edge detection or the image detection. So it having the agent, so robot is agent and his eyes, like we can fit the camera, all the things, that is also part of the agent. Okay, so with the help of that one, we can find out the image and edge detection. So if you want to work like project, so you try to develop a one robot, so it can find out the edge detection and it can find out the object. Suppose I can pick up the one mouse, so we know na, that is the mouse. So if robot can pick and tell that this is the mouse, robot can touch and see the environment, or see the environment and sorry, see the framework, whatever the present inside the framework, and told that this object is present, like a chair, like a fan, like a blackboard, like a human beings. So today's nowadays they will all big industry, they're working on the age deduction system. Okay, how can you can identify the robot all the times. Okay, so now in the college level, what we have to play, so we have to develop a one robot. Now see how can apply the things. So we just suppose we try to develop one robot, and that is called the robotics, and different shape as there. Okay, like this one, like this one, like this one. Okay, so suppose we cannot apply the manually robot, then what we happened, we have to go to the robot, we pick the element and we have to place somewhere with the size of whatever the given. Suppose I can pick the square, then fit into the empty square box. Suppose I pick the triangle box, then put into the triangle space. I pick the rectangle parallelogram, so pick that one. So we can go for, in the college level, in robotics competition, we can play this one. So for this one, we try to develop the AI. The robot automatically go there, then identify the object. Suppose it can pick a square. So robot can understand we have to put that square in the right place of the square, where the square place is given. So this type of things we can do with the general AI. Okay, so we try to develop this one. This is the college project. Okay, basically we can perform in the tech fest. So people can develop the manually robot, and we have to make our hands. Then through hands we can pick up the object and place in the right place. Okay, I think your college are performing all the things during the tech fest. You guys also cover this one. Okay, this slide is visible. Need for the artificial intelligence. I need to know. No, no, this is the visible. Okay, I need to share once again. Wait. Okay, now it's visible. Actually, what happened in a Google, you can speak. Otherwise, I'm not able to see the message. Okay, slide is visible or not. Unmute yourself and talk about any issues. Okay. So need for the artificial intelligence. So we the first basic things. Now forget about this image. So first, sorry, forget about this image.
Sir,
Okay. Yes.
sir, PPT is not visible.
What happened?
So your screen is visible.
Is
The
visible?
Google Meet screen. The Google Meet screen is visible, but the PPT is not visible.
Now it's visible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I have to write the here also. So now need for the artificial intelligence. So forget about this image. We cannot talking about this one. Suppose if genuinely we are talking about, then we have to create the expert system and we helping the machine find out the solution to the complex problem. So that is the two basics needs. Okay, to create the expert system. Then what is the expert system? First understand. So there is a one machine where we can apply the AI algorithms and we can give the input and it gives the output. So it gives the input here and it gives the output with some accuracy. That is called the expert system. Okay, so expert system, suppose AI, and this one is the expert system. Okay, apply the AI algorithm and gets we can get an output from the given input. That is called the expert system. Anything can be happened. There is expert system. Your robot comes inside the expert system. Your laptop is an expert system. Anything. Okay. Then machines finding solution to the complex problems. So very big problems. So complex problems comes inside. That means NLP, image processing related problems. Then biological like cancer, all the things. Medical problems issue that is solved through the AI. Like we can develop the health monitor systems through the AI, pulse detections, pulse showing all the things, cancer detections. These things are becomes inside the machine finding the solution to the complex issues. Now, talking about this image. So nowadays, this image we can perform. Why we adding this image? On the basis of the competitive market, what the market demand. So why the need of the artificial intelligence during this market? So competitive edge, accessibility, fear of missing out, cost effectiveness, and future proof. Now understand one by one. Competitive edge. So competitive edge, that means everyone want to be, so I am the best through technology. For this purpose, we try to develop autopilot cars. Okay, so that is called the competitive edge. On the basis of you're talking about the intelligence business. Okay, suppose I have a company, like a best example, that Tesla. So why Tesla using? Because he know everyone producing the car, even the Ford company, Mercedes, Audi, all the things are producing the car. So what we have to do different? Apply the artificial intelligence and produce the autopilot car. So that is called competitive edge. In terms of industry, I'm talking about. That is the now these two are the general. Sorry. These two are to create the expert system to helping machine to find solution to the complex problem. That is the general. That means the general things of need of artificial intelligence. And these are the particulars in terms of the industry I'm talking about. Need for the artificial intelligence type of product. So autopilots comes inside. That is the best example of the competitive edge. Now, accessibility. In accessibility, I am talking about through sharing scalability, all the things we can develop through the accessibility using AI. Your task is very easy. Now, fear of missing out. We can say that we can fear from some articles, some people, all the things. So now, this fear of missing out basically using in banking sector, financial sector. So we have to develop the chat box. The people are going to do a feedback. The chat box is acting, interacting with the people. The questions and answer all the things. That is a fear of missing out. Basically, you're using a chat bot, banking services. The second one, last fourth one, cost effectiveness. So we try to develop all the product using AIs of cost effectiveness, but nowadays is not possible. As we know, that is the disadvantage of the AI. The cost is very high automatically when apply the AI. And the future proof, that means every organization want to be do some proofreading, so it can be track all the things. So not possible to open all the times of the records and search on the database. So we have to develop our system, see automatically search on the basis of requirement and gives the output for the future proof of the company, for development of the company and development of the financial sector. So I'm talking about this one. These all are belong to the, we can say that intelligence business, IB. Yeah, business intelligence, BI, business intelligence terms. The AI need in terms of business intelligence, and this is the general requirement of the expert system to helping machine to develop the solution of the complex. Okay, that is the need of the artificial intelligence. No one will ask. If someone asks why you need, and go for the business intelligence purpose and go for the general purpose. Okay. So now, after this, we can talking about what is the application. What is the application of this one? So as we know, so application part of AI, as we know, the natural language, NLP, gaming, speech recognition, vision system, healthcare, and automotive. This thing will be happening. So we are in the final year. I think we have we can told that suppose everyone take a medicine. Okay, so sometimes they can forget to take about the medicine. So you try to develop one machine. He can put a reminder, or machine can put a reminder to the patient. Your medicine time is this one. We have to take this medicine. How much medicine we have to take? Okay. Otherwise, he can detect the positions, our situation and environment, sensor environment, on the basis of it flash the information, your family members, your friend, you are in trouble or you are in any issue with someone else. So we can develop through the AI. So that is called the perception. So this one, now this one. So I am intelligent perception. So that is my perception. We can develop this type of machine. Everyone don't know. So first we try. If possible, then it's okay. It's not possible, then it's also okay. That is called intelligence. That is called the learning process. We can learn from the perceptions, all the things. It is not possible. So that is, we can include the perception in intelligent composed, like reasoning, learning, problem solving. So we are talking about the social media, entertainment, educations, healthcare, automobile. So social media, simple one, Instagram, the best example. Entertainment, Netflix, Amazon Prime, best example. Education system, your portal, your college. Here we AI is applied, they can automatically told that how many students are below of 50% all the things. Then healthcare, we know different app, monitoring device that are gear on the basis of speed, all the things. Banking and finance sector. So now here AI is very boom. Okay, in banking and finance sector, AI is very boom, on the boom. Give me. Okay, so here what happened? Here in the banking sector, AI is very boom. Okay, because we have to increase the sale, we have to perception, we have to read the mind of customer. What is the thinking when customer invest in which, during which period, when it can be for the banking sector. AI is very important nowadays. AI is working here also. So we can go for the Apple Watch, different type of watches available through the healthcare devices. And the surveillance, so we are talking about the face recognition, image processing, okay, face detection. So whatever the blur image, we can so prove that is using the AI. So image processing. So if you can develop the project in image processing, that means very easy to take a job. Now, take one example. One of my senior having a project in image processing, like field is related to the medical, you can directly place in the Samsung. Okay, so Samsung industry is working on the image processing. So basically your project is very advanced and you are very strong enough in project, then you can get a good company through a project. That is a big advantage of the project. So before selecting project, think about it. Okay, for the selection of project, that can be reflect in your CV, and it can be put good impression for the interviewer. Okay, so that is the application of the artificial intelligence. And for these things, how can develop? So that means I'm talking about the different type of tools, the AI tools to solve real world problem. So what type of problem we are including? So we have to include search and optimization problem. Here we are talking about when we discuss. So AS star, AOS star, DFS, and BFS, heuristic search. We are going hill climb. So we are going to read search and optimization to solve real world problem. Okay, so this thing will be happen. Okay, and logical problem. So we can talking about jug problem, water jug problem. Okay, game problem, chess problem, queen problem. These are comes in type the logical problem. Probabilistic method to a certain reasoning. So that means this inside that one we can include that health issues problem, like a cancer detection solving thing, probabilistics problem. Then neural networks, that means belonging to the software engineering, soft computing. So here we can use NNN, RNA, DNA. We can apply the AI on RNA and DNA systems and database. Then we can go for the neural networks. Then control theory, that means basically we can apply for the industrial purpose control theory. Even if human behavior recognition system, we can go for the control theory. Classifier and statistical learning methods, so go for the business oriented. That means financial problem, statistical problem, different big companies like a share market, we can go for the classifiers and statistical data analysis through the AI. Okay, so this thing we are going to do with to solve the real-time problem. So in your syllabus, we are more focused on this one and this one and this. In your syllabus, search and optimizations, logic, probabilistic method for the uncertain reasoning. We are going to discuss these things. Okay. Now the last one, must add. What is the career in artificial intelligence? Suppose we can opt a career. Suppose after BTech, first thing you know, uh, I think there is a big myth. Okay, so when you are the undergraduate course, that means we are doing the BTech, someone doing something, someone doing something. We are in undergraduation course, there is no specialization. Okay, suppose someone college told you that we can offer BTech in artificial intelligence, BTech in machine learning, BTech in data analytics. There is not such course exist in this world. When you are the undergraduate course, only BTech in computer science, BTech in mechanical engineering, BTech in civil engineering, BTech in biotechnology. Okay, this type of branches exist. When we go for the masters, then we can go for the specialization: artificial intelligence, cyber security, machine learning, data analytics. These things will be happening. Okay, like suppose you're talking about the mechanical branch, then go for the design, go for the metallurgy, material science, thermal energy. We can go for that. So think about it. Don't be confused. You're BTech in artificial intelligence. That means your specialization branch. No, all the paper are same. So that we have to every college play with the game. So that's for the creating for the seat. Suppose I can take. I have open a college and I can make all the things. Okay. So don't be confused. Career in artificial intelligence, you become a data science, machine learning engineers, product manager. You can become artificial intelligence research scientist. Then robotic scientist you can become, big data engineer, and business intelligence developer. That means minimum seven career we can opt if you go for the artificial intelligence. So it should be clear about it. If suppose you are taking, then what category of job you can get it. See the artificial intelligence. Okay, because artificial intelligence. So I'm talking about like this one. Now see this structure. So this one is the deep learning. Okay, this one is the machine learning, ML, and we can talking about this one is the AI. Okay, so that's why we can put a career of data scientist, ML engineer, okay, big data, okay, and this one deep learning. So we go for the research, robotic scientist, okay, and product manager. So I can put this one. So as you know, AL, ML, this one is the relationship. All LLL, triple L. Sorry, not artificial A. AI, ML, and DA. Okay, is it clear? Okay, did you require this PPT? Okay. Okay, I can share with CR, don't worry. So this is the overall, that not such a huge and all the things we can discuss. We can go for the different book. We can search what is the AI. Look, how to search and how to study. First thing, what is the AI? Why we need? How to solve real-time problem through AI? What technology can support AI? What type of problem we can put inside AI? This type of questions we can frame. Okay, and what model support AI? So we are discussing about all the things. From the next class, we are discussing about AI problem. So then we are next just about the AI technique, and we are talking about the AI model. Okay, from the next class onward. For this week, we can go for this one, overall informations. And if one day we can go for the revision, all the things, then we can start problem space search. Okay, then how can find out the problem, how can find out the space, and how can find out the environment, how can set out the frame of reference, all the things to discuss. Okay, so that is enough for the today. I'm tired. Yeah, Vivek. So Vivek, wait. Wait. Wait, Vivek. Yeah, Vivek, can you check your email? I can send PPT. Already send it to the PPT to your mail. Vivek. Okay, please see that you received the mail or not, and accordingly you can respond to me. Okay. Okay, thank you, Vivek. So we have a 10 minutes. So anyone doubt? I think no doubt. Okay, can you tell me, you guys are working on a startup? Among you, anyone working on a startup? Yeah, rising hand. Okay. Okay, Deep.
Yes, sir.
Sagar. Yeah. Now see the product manager. Then what is the work of the product manager? Suppose I am the product manager of the Samsung. Yeah, any like Lenovo. So my job to how to increase the sale. Okay, to how to increase the my Lenovo laptop. Everyone like that one. How can increase? How can read the mind of the people? Okay, for my increase the sale of the any product like a Lenovo, like a iPhone, iPad. How can make a strategy all like that one? Okay, so that for that purpose we can read the AI problems like a business intelligence problem. We can do a MBA with business intelligence like whatever the branch. Yeah, anyone working in a startup like Hardik?
Yes, sir.
What type of startup you have?
Sir, we are building an e-commerce website.
E-commerce. So now nowadays all the different type of e-commerce website is available. Then what is the different?
Actually, sir, we are working on international e-commerce. E-commerce websites that can directly deal with international clients.
No. So you're selling basically product. Different type. What type of category of product we have?
Actually, sir, it is a multi-vendor e-commerce website in which we will invite businesses in India, and we will ask them to sell on our portal, and the clients will be from different countries.
Okay, that means you're selling. Then how can manage the logistic problem?
By sir, in case of B2C, business to customer, we have different logistics partners like DHL, FedEx, RMX, etc. And
I know these logistic departments are present. The thing is that suppose I am from the US and I want to sell the Indian market.
yeah,
Okay, so it does not mean that all the time I can get a huge amount of order. It's not possible. Na?
yeah, true.
Suppose someone book my order. Suppose I one pen. Okay, the pen cost is suppose $50. Okay,
Yes.
so someone order $50 pen. Then how can you can manage? How can delivery? How can pick up all the things?
Yes,
US
in
to
that
India.
yeah. I mean, what are you asking that? Client is from India or client is from US? I mean,
Client in
customer.
India and he'll pick up the product from the US.
Yes, sir. In that case, sir, it's like AliExpress, sir. I hope you might have heard about it. In AliExpress, when we order something, it do take some time, but yet they surely delivers our product to our home. So in this case, similarly, we are working on that method only. That when some Indian client orders some product from US, then that US client will receive their order on their portal, and they we can choose the shipment partner like FedEx or etc. Any of them, and the partner will pick up the parcel and will deliver it to Indian customer.
Okay. We are discussing about that one later on. Okay,
Okay,
because I am too much interested in a startup also.
okay, sure, sir. Thank you.
Okay, so we can meet again the next class. So your class is over, and thank you for coming. Okay, bye.
Thank you, sir.